Hello. I am here to explain the basics of nutrition.
Ah, I can't wait to learn.
Nutrition is defined as the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. This basically means that the food you eat is beneficial to your health and how your body grows.
Even if I eat Burger King every day?
Not quite, Alan. Different food groups provide certain nutrients that benefit your body in different ways. The groups are fruit and veg, meat and fish, dairy products, bread, rice and potatoes, and also fats and sugars.
Oh wow, really? How do they help your body?
Well, mate, fruit and veg supply you with vital vitamins to prevent cold and flu. Meat and fish are rich in protein, which promotes good muscle growth and repair. Dairy products are high in calcium, which keeps your bones strong and your teeth white. Bread, rice and potatoes are full of carbs, which fuel your body with energy. Finally, fats and sugars supply you with more energy, but in different parts of your body. For example, sugar is turned into glucose, which is then used as glycogen for fast-paced activities such as sprinting.
So if I eat all of this in a day, I will be healthy? Yippee, sounds good to me.
Not all of it, Alan. Your body needs certain percentages of the groups. 30% fruit and vegetables, 30% carbohydrates, 10% meat and fish, 10% milk and dairy products, and 10% fats and sugars. Copyright 2013 Extra Normal Incorporated, all rights reserved.
Oh, now I understand you, sweetheart. Once I eat all of this, what happens?
Well, the carbohydrates are stored as energy. There are slow-releasing carbs and fast-releasing carbs. And as I explained before, the protein repairs your muscles, and fats and sugars are stored as a backup energy system. Dairy products just help keep your bones and teeth strong and healthy.
Thank you for teaching me the basics of nutrition. I now understand the importance of eating a well-balanced diet and how it affects my body.